Before going into this video, we heartily welcome you all into e-Gurukulam for IAS. Let's start. In this video we will discuss about erosional landforms of karst topography. Blind valley. A steep-head valley, steep-head or blind valley is a deep, narrow, flat-bottomed valley with an abrupt ending. Karst Valley abruptly terminated by the passage underground of the watercourse, which has hitherto resisted the karst processes and remained at the surface. Swallow hole or sinkholes or doline. A sinkhole, also known as a cenote, sink, sinkhole, swallet, swallow hole, or doline, the different terms for sinkholes are often used interchangeably, is a depression or hole in the ground caused by some form of collapse of the surface layer. Most are caused by karst processes, for example, the chemical dissolution of carbonate rocks or suffusion processes. The surface streams which sink disappear underground through swallow holes. Clift. When the solution hole is dipped over a period of time, then the dipped part is called clift. Pinnacles. Vertical rock blades fretted sharped by dissolution. Lapes or carré. It is formed due to differential solution activity along parallel to subparallel joints. They are also called grooved, fluted and ridge-like features in an open limestone field. The most widespread surface karst landforms are small solution pits, grooves and runnels, collectively called carré. Limestone pavements. It is a smoother form of lapes. Sinking creeks or bogas. In a valley, the water often gets lost through cracks and fissures in the bed. These are called sinking creeks, and if their tops are open, they are called bogas. Karst window or fenster. Karst fenster is a geomorphic feature formed from the dissolution of carbonate bedrock. In this feature, a spring emerges, then the discharge abruptly disappears into a sinkhole. A karst fenster is caused by a caving in of portions of the roof of a subterranean stream, thus making some of the underground stream visible from the surface. When a number of adjoining sinkholes collapse, they form an open, broad area called a karst window. Karst window. Uvalas. Karst depressions that are much larger than sinkholes and that display gentler slopes and more complex three-dimensional shapes are known as uvalas. Uvalas is collection of multiple smaller individual sinkholes that coalesce into a compound sinkhole. A single uvala typically contains numerous sinkholes within it. Polje. A polje, also karst polje or karst field, is a large flat plain found in karstic geological regions of the world, with areas usually 5 to 400 square kilometers. Pools. An opening at the top with water collected in the void of the surface with varying depth. Caves cavern. This is an underground cave formed by water action by various methods in a limestone or chalk area. Cave formation is prominent in areas where there are alternating beds of rocks, shales, sandstones, quartzites, with limestones or dolomites in between, or in areas where limestones are dense, massive and occurring as thick beds. Karst lake. Karst lakes are formed as the result of a collapse of subterranean caves, especially in water-soluble rocks such as limestone, gypsum, and dolomite. This process is known as karstification. They can cover areas of several 100 square kilometers. Their shallow lakebed is usually an insoluble layer of sediment so that water is impounded, leading to the formation of lakes. Many karst lakes only exist periodically but return regularly after heavy rainfall. That's all for this video. Meet you in next video. Thank you. Like and subscribe to e-Gurukulam for IAS.